Meanwhile, the Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly has called on the state emergency management to also work towards this, to carry out a comprehensive flood risk assessment and identify vulnerable areas across the state. This followed a motion raised on Thursday by Honorable Bassey Bassey, member representing Okobo State constituency, who stressed the urgency of proactive flood prevention measures in light of worsening climate change impact, including erratic rainfall and clogged drainages.
Climate change and its challenges have remained a global concern, causing weather inconsistencies leading to heavy downpour, and our streets and roads in recent times have been plagued with flood occasioned by indiscriminate blockage of waterways and disposal of solid waste on the streets, gutters, and drainages. Concerned that flooding has become a recurring phenomenon in Nigeria, posing significant threats to life, properties, and livelihood.
In a related motion, Honorable Ubon Attah, representing Ibesikpo Asutan State constituency, urged the Akwa Ibom State Environmental Protection and Waste Management Agency to intensify routine monitoring of drainage system and enforce the immediate clearance of blockages. Honorable Attah further called for stricter enforcement on the ban on dumping refuse in drainage channels, especially in Uyo and other major cities.
As the World Health Organization guidelines on sanitation and health 2018 affirm that improper disposal of waste is a critical contributor to vector-borne diseases, flooding, and environmental pollution, posing severe risks to public health. Whereas the United Nations Environmental Program, UNEP, in its 2019 guidelines for national waste management strategies, underscores the need for strong legal frameworks, enforcement mechanisms, and awareness to promote responsible sanitation and drainage practices.
Following the House endorsement, the Speaker instructed the clerk to forward the resolution to the Executive Governor and concerned agencies for prompt implementation.
The Akwa Ibom State Emergency Management Agency, as part of its mandate under Section 6 of the Emergency Management Agency Law, to conduct a comprehensive flood risk assessment in the state with a view to identifying vulnerable areas and develop strategy to mitigate risk. Honorable members, do you agree with this prayer number 1? The State Ministry of Environment and the Mineral Resources and Akwa Ibom State Environmental Protection and Waste Management Agency to, as a matter of urgent importance, get to work and ensure that solid waste are properly disposed on our street and drainage. Honorable members, do you agree with this resolution?
The House also resolved to proceed on a 39-day recess with plenary scheduled to resume September 18, 2025.